Beneath the shimmering moonlight on the Australian beach, tiny turtle eggs hatch, signaling the start of a perilous journey. Tommy emerges, blinking in awe at the unfamiliar, glittering expanse of the night sky, his tiny heart swelling with curiosity. His tiny silhouette is set against the vast, star-studded canvas of the night, symbolizing the immensity of the world awaiting him. Bathed in ethereal moonlight, the ocean glimmers like a siren's call, beckoning Tommy towards its mysterious depths. With a cry of liberation, Tommy declares, "That's where I need to go." Driven by an irresistible force, Tommy begins his headlong dash towards the ocean's edge, a silhouette against the moonlit sky. On the sun-kissed beach, a flurry of tiny turtles embark on their life-defining journey towards the vast ocean. Amidst the chaotic race, Tommy, with determined flaps, propels himself forward, a tiny hero against the odds. The boundless ocean awaits, a shimmering horizon of dreams and challenges for Tommy and his brethren. A hungry seagull descends with predatory intent. The seagull cries out, "Ko! Ko!" Tommy, startled, cries out and evades the bird, zipping between his siblings. A wave crashes over Tommy, a moment of surrender and salvation as the ocean embraces him. Tommy bobs on the surface, relief washing over him as he exclaims, "Phew, that was close." A moment of pure relief as Tommy finds respite in the vast expanse of the ocean. Tommy ventures into the boundless blue ocean, where darting fish and swaying coral create a mesmerizing underwater ballet. With childlike wonder, Tommy marvels at the underwater marvels as bubbles playfully tickle his nose, heightening his sensory delight. Propelled by curiosity, Tommy zooms forward, eager to uncover more secrets of the deep. Tommy is greeted by Juno, a friendly jellyfish, in the vast ocean. Juno warmly welcomes, "Welcome to the ocean, little turtle." Tommy peers with curiosity at Juno, as if a new world unfolds before him. Tommy's eyes fixate on a shiny, see-through object drifting tantalizingly close. With naive excitement, Tommy cries out, "Ooh, is that food?" Juno stands at the ocean's edge, the endless blue mirroring her determination to protect the marine world. Juno cries out, "Wait, stop! That's not food, Tommy, that's plastic." Juno passionately explains the lethal dangers of plastic pollution to Tommy, her words painting a vivid picture of the ocean's plight. Tommy recoils abruptly, eyes wide with dismay, as the endless ocean stretches before him, a stark reminder of unseen dangers. In a moment of startled realization, Tommy exclaims, "Yikes! No plastic snacks for me," his words echoing the urgency of environmental awareness. Tommy and Juno, driven by urgency, navigate the vast ocean, pushing a menacing plastic bag away from their fellow sea creatures. Amidst the vibrant coral reefs, Tommy, with unwavering resolve, declares, "We have to tell the humans to keep the ocean clean." The plastic bag drifts eerily, a stark reminder of human carelessness, as Tommy and Juno exchange determined glances. As the sun rises over the ocean, Tommy floats peacefully, a serene smile on his face. With a determined glint in his eye, Tommy declares, "If we all work together, the ocean will stay beautiful and safe for turtles like me." Tommy gracefully navigates his aquatic domain, a symbol of hope amid the ocean's vastness.